John Day has a population of 1,735 residents and is part of Grant School District 3, which services John Day, Canyon City, and some of the surrounding communities. The city was recently awarded a Safe Routes to School grant, which was applied for by ODOT, to help us complete a sidewalk project from downtown John Day up to the high school. So this project will complete about 4 blocks of city sidewalk, where today students have to walk along the side of the highway along 395 South in order to get to and from school.
There's not really a whole lot of room and you feel cars going right by you all the time.
We're going to be able to create a bicycle lane and create some additional separation between the motor vehicles and the trucks along the highway and our pedestrians and bicyclists.
Not everyone's paying attention all the time. People are texting and driving, you might get hit.
As a city manager and as a parent of young kids who walk to and from the school, it's definitely important for us to be able to make the safest environment we can for our students, and to have them walking along a busy section of State Highway, just a great opportunity to create that safe space for our students to get to and from the school.
Oh yeah, I think it's a really good idea.
So this is an exciting project for us. It's one that would not have been possible without the SRS funding in this recent grant award. So we are definitely excited about this opportunity and would like to thank ODOT and the state for making these programs available to small communities like ours.